At Classic Automation, we help keep the world's production running. Do you have defective PLCs, drives, operator panels, or industrial PCs? Expert electronic repair services from Classic Automation will minimize disruption to your production, help increase your uptime, and avoid unnecessary shutdowns. When your part comes in for repair, photos are taken, the part is thoroughly cleaned, and all your program settings are backed up whenever possible. Standard preventative maintenance includes replacing electrolytic capacitors and NVRAM. With a large in-house stock of components, repairs are turned around quickly. Advanced diagnostic equipment locates problems fast. An X-ray machine finds shorts, opens, and voids to verify connections of high-density surface mounts such as complex ball grid arrays. A thermal gun provides a heat map of components to identify problems. A BGA rework station produces high-quality repairs of complex parts. Over 100 system-specific test fixtures are used for functional testing that simulates a production environment. Repair pricing is available on the Classic Automation website. Our repair capabilities are constantly expanding, and your part may still be repaired even if it isn't listed on our website. Just send it in for a free price evaluation. Keep your machines running with quality repairs that extend the life cycle of your current systems. Visit our repair service page at www.classicautomation.com to submit your parts for repair.